Hello, 你好, welcome to Smart Mandarin video lesson, super easy Mandarin series. Now, let's get started. First one is, if you see this pinyin, will you be able to pronounce that? Alright, it's pronounced 知道, 知道, 知道. Okay, with the ZHI, I doesn't do anything. You can forget about how to pronounce the I sound. 知, your lips looks like this. And then you could curl your tongue. So, 知, 知. Okay, first tone. 知道, 知道 means to know. Alright, so to know something. 知道. Second word. How would you pronounce this one? Okay, it is 说, 说. So the SH sound is sh, 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 sh. And UO is 窝 sound, 窝 sound. Okay, so 吃窝, 说, 说, meaning to say. 说. Next one. How do you pronounce this one? Okay, it is 中文, 中文. So the first word, ZH, is 知, just like the first vocab we learned, ZH, the 知, the same sound. So you have to curl your tongue. So 知, so ZHONG, the ONG is ong sound. So 知, ong, 中. The next one is easier, is 乌恩文, 文. So 中文. So the W is 乌 sound, 乌, and EN is N, N, N. 文, 文. 中文 means Mandarin Chinese. Next one. How do you pronounce that? 再见. So the Z sound is 滋, 滋. Okay, it's kind of like DS sound, the DS ending sound in English, but you have to voice that. 滋, 滋, 再, 再见 means goodbye. 再见. Alright, 再见. JIAN, 鸡. Okay, so the J is the G sound. 鸡. Like when you say Jeep maybe and you smile. 鸡, smile. 鸡. Okay, so 鸡烟 and IAN is yen sounds. So 鸡烟见. 再见, goodbye. 再见. 再 literally means again, and 见 means to see. So again, see means goodbye. See you again. 再见. 次. Ooh, this one is hard. 次. Okay, so the CI is ts, 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 kind of like TS sound, ending sound in English. So fourth tone, 次, 次. Okay, it means time or times. Not time in general, but it's like I do something for how many times, that kind of time in Mandarin. Okay, so 次, 次. Next one, 懂, ONG, ong. So 的 ong, 懂, 懂, to understand, 懂. Next one, 你的. I think that's easy. 你的. The is kind of a possessive word. So 你的 means your. 你的. 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 Your. 你的. How would you pronounce that? 请. ING is the ing sound. So 请. It's more nasal sound. 请. 请. Okay, means please. 请. Alright, So now we have all the vocabs today. Let's get to the sentences and see if you understand what I say. The first one is 你说中文吗？你说中文吗？ What does that mean? Okay. 你说中文吗？说 is to speak or to say. 你说 you speak. 中文 is Mandarin Chinese. 吗 yes no question. So 你说中文吗？ Do you speak Mandarin Chinese? 你说中文吗？ Next one. 那个人不说中文。那个人不说中文。What does that mean? 那个 that. 人 is people or person. So 那个人 that person. 不说 doesn't speak. 中文 Mandarin Chinese. That person doesn't speak Mandarin Chinese. 那个人不说中文。Next sentence. 我不懂你的中文。我不懂你的中文。What does that mean? 我 I 不懂 doesn't understand or don't understand. 你的 your 中文 Mandarin Chinese. I don't understand your Chinese. So maybe someone is saying something in Mandarin Chinese, you're like, oh, I don't understand your Chinese. 我不懂你的中文。Next one. 再说一次。再说一次。再说一次。Okay, this one is hard. Remember, 再 means again. It comes from the word 再见. So again, 再。说 is to say or to speak. 一次 is one time. So again, say one time means to say it one more time. So if you want somebody to say something one more time, you could say 再说一次, say one more time. 再说一次, say one more time. If you want to be more polite, you could say 请再说一次. 请再说一次. 请 please. 再说一次. Please again say one time. Literal translation. But please say again. 请再说一次. Alright, that's all for today. So now you know some vocabulary, you have a little bit understanding of the pronunciation, and you kind of know how we speak in Mandarin. So you can see that we don't really have conjugations, the tenses in Mandarin, which is easy for a foreigner to learn Mandarin because we don't have any like conjugation and tenses. All you have to do at the moment is to learn the vocabulary and practice the pronunciation and maybe try to practice, make some sentences on your own. If you like this series and if you like this video lesson, I have many more other video lessons on my Patreon page, which you can take a look. I'll put a link down below. Thank you for my Patreon students and my Skype student, all my online student support. Without you guys, I really cannot do this video lesson and all other video lessons. So in the end of this video, I really like to thank you for supporting me and my lessons. I know it's kind of cliche because everybody says the same, but yeah, that's really true. Without the Patreon support, without the online Sky lesson student support, I could not have time. I don't have time. I don't think I have time to make video lessons on YouTube. So thank you for all your support, and I hope to see you in the next video lesson. 谢谢你们，下次见，再见。